Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Um, Good morning, everyone. It has been quite a while since I've recorded any sharing of knowledge or information. So this morning, I thought of sharing with you some of my uh, thoughts about excellence, which I've done a little bit of investigation from ChatGPT. I think many of us are using ChatGPT, but as in all the other tools, we need to have basic knowledge. So I want to just share with you things that I thought is important. Um, Today, I start to think about how to pursue excellence in organization. I wish I've been doing a lot about this. So I asked ChatGPT to describe the human component in pursuing organizational excellence, and it gave the answer of effective leadership, which is fundamental in any excellence, what do you call, pursuit of excellence, and employee engagement, which is engaged employees are committed to their work and the organization goal. That means whoever is engaged will actually contribute to the organization. Communication, open and transparent communication, continuous improvement. So in terms of human aspects of you need to actually provide continuous improvement platforms for them to actually contribute ideas and also do uh, what do you call, a different way of doing things, creating new ideas and learn from successes of previous projects or previous experience. Training development, teamwork and collaboration. So all these are basic, components that exist in human development. Then I asked ChatGPT to tell me technological element in pursuing organizational excellence. And it gave the answer of like, for example, automation efficiency. So organization needs to think about how to actually automate the processes, and especially today we talk about automation solutions such as RPA, robotic process automation, using robots in actually processing application, processing administrative work. So RPA, workflow management system, especially in a service type of organization or government type of organization. Then it gave the answer of data analysis and insights. Especially today, we talk about RR 4.0. You need to actually have detailed information, and you be able to analyze trends, anticipate customer needs, so that you can optimize your business processes. Cloud computing, scalable and flexible digital transformation through machine learning, IoT, AI, which we are doing now, digital transformation. But I always think that digital transformation must always take care of those who are deprived of information or deprived of the knowledge. For example, older people like me sometimes struggle to actually move on to the new platform of digital from physical or manual. Collaboration tools, CRM systems help the organization to manage customer interaction, and especially today, with digitalization, you can actually put it into a software or platform and do business through through these digital solutions. Cyber security, agile development, and development DevOps and development operations principles. Um, then I asked the question about business processes element in pursuing excellence. So the next component, so I thought of like, first there is the human component, then there is the technological, then there is the business processes. So in all occasions, you have to think about business processes. So ChatGPT gave the answer that you need to actually look at process efficiency. So streamlining business processes to eliminate inefficiency, redundancies, bottlenecks is actually crucial for achieving excellence. That is fundamental. And you need to re-engineer processes. You need to actually reduce waste. We want to use lean methods. We want to use, industrial engineering work study methods. Or you want to also look at how to minimize errors and improve productivity, because at the end of the day, how productive the organization will show in terms of profits, in terms of delivery, fast delivery to customer, and cost reduction. And in business processes, you have to think about standardization and documentation is very important, because if there is no standardization, you will not be able to ensure consistency throughout the organization. See here, consistency and clarity across the organization. Uh, right. So let me close that sidebar. And customer-centric processes. So all process by design to a customer. So there's fundamental cross-functional collaboration between different departments, not working in silos. And process automation, again, it keep repeating RPA, robotic process automation, and workflow automation tools. I think in the future, or even currently, a lot of menial processes, manual, redundant, can be repetitive. You can give it to the computers to do it. Performance measurement and KPIs, flexibility and adaptability, and so on. All these are fundamental. Then I thought of, asking ChatGPT, can you explain leadership component in excellence? And obviously, this typical, components, vision and direction of the leaders, setting high standards of performance are needed in order to achieve higher goals, establishing a culture of excellence. This is how leaders should actually try to build an organization. If the leader themselves are not pursuing excellence, and then it's very difficult for the organization to actually achieve excellence. And of course, excellence is relative. Excellence is, somehow rather depends on the industry, depends on the, organization. So number three is building a culture of excellence, empowering employees. So you see some of these overlapping elements, it is from the human, but you talk about leaders, they have to interact with the employees. So effective leaders empower employees by delegating authority, providing autonomy, and encouraging initiative. So you need to develop the talent, you need to invest in developing skills and capabilities. So new skills, especially in this world of digitalization, you need to have new skills and knowledge about AI, about all these new processes. In engineering, there are many things like rapid prototyping. Uh, there are many other things. Communication and transparency. Leaders must communicate openly and transparently with employees. They must share information about organizational goals, strategies, and performance. And leading by example, this is, a very important component. Leaders must show good examples before they ask others to actually follow them. So they embody the values of integrity, accountability, and commitment to excellence, inspiring others to do the same. So leaders must inspire, provide inspiration, at least motivate, motivate their employees to actually pursue excellence, and believe that if by pursuing excellence, the organization will be able to sustain in the future. It will survive. It will make generate growth, generate higher productivity, and will be able to meet a competition with other companies in the industry. And continuous improvement also, leaders are committed to continuous improvement, which is actually related to human component of excellence just now. Okay. Then I asked ChatGPT, can you explain the management commitment element? And they give the answer, like setting the tone, management commitment set the tone for the organization, allocating resources. And this is very important for management. Management commitment means that they are committed to actually allocate the necessary limited resources that all organizations possess. Okay, money is limited, raw material is limited, but how to actually maximize and doesn't put into waste all these limited resources, so include financial, human, technological resources that will be able to actually create the products and services that is needed by the customers. At the end of the day, it is customers. Okay, there is no customers, you know, buying your product or getting your services, then you're not in business. Establishing policies and goals, that's the management commitment actually reflected in the establishment of policies, goals, and objectives that prioritize excellence. Providing support and a guidance. So management commitment entails providing support and guidance to employees at all levels in the form of mentorship, coaching, training, recognition. So, if they are committed towards excellence, they must provide the mentorship, coaching, training, and recognition, helping employees develop the skills. So this is, of course, it's a lot of, words inside there, but it needs a lot of effort and doing. Doing. It's not talking, but doing. Creating a culture of accountability, leading by example, celebrating success is also important. But management includes celebrating success. So once in a while, management must, share their joy with employees, everyone in the organization. So recognize achievements that contribute to organizational excellence. So acknowledging and rewarding exceptional performance, not only monetary. Sometimes we have to think about non-monetary celebration. And you can think about it. Embracing feedback and learning. So management must embrace feedback and foster a culture of learning. So organization must allow employees to actually grow together in the organization, in their career, provide the opportunities for pursuing their academic or even skills, knowledge, uh, for that for them to actually contribute better or contribute more to the organization. So ongoing learning and refinement of, if the employee is no more suitable in one area, it can be retrained or motivated to be moved to, for example, new digitalization area, right? Sustaining the momentum, okay? So management commitment is foundational element in the pursuit of excellence. And that is very, very clear, very obvious. Okay. So I think that is about that's all that I want to share with you. Is very short. It's about 10 minutes. So have a what do you call thought about all this, and if you have any comments or anything that you want to me to elaborate on, please put it into the comments of this what do you call of this video. So thank you very much for listening, and I hope and everyone will have an excellent day forward, and excellent week and excellent years ahead. So thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.